Good morning, friends. My name is Dr. B. Suresh Babu, Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, MVR College of Engineering and Technology, Paritala. Today's session is about how to assemble a knuckle joint. First of all, what is the use of this knuckle joint? This knuckle joint is used to connect two shafts which are on the same axis. That means if two shafts are going to intersect but are inclined one with respect to other, then we are going for this knuckle joint. This knuckle joint has basically 5 types of components that has to be assembled. One is going to be in the shape of fork, and second one in the shape of a key, and third one is a pin. Fourth one is going to be a pin type which can include into the another one, and fourth one is locking pin. So these are the different parts which we are going to assemble. This knuckle joint is basically used to transfer the power from one part to the other part. In the sense, from one shaft to the other shaft, we can able to transmit. The observing figure on the screen is a assemble of knuckle joint. Here, no shafts are there. That means if you observe for it like a turning fork shaft, we are going to have a one shaft can be assembled. For a blue color one, we can have another shaft. That means one is input shaft and another one is going to be the output shaft. Now we are going to learn how to assemble this. Before going to this one, what is the function of this knuckle joint, or what do you learn from this one? When you observing this video, you can able to replace a worn out joint with a new one without assistance of any mechanic. Up to that extent you are going to learn it. This knuckle joint is widely used in almost all the mechanical automobile engineerings. Automobile engineering, automobiles like car, bus, lorry, wherever a heavy transport system is there we are going to use this knuckle joint. So listen this video, which is very useful for the coming engineers who want to test their growth in automobile sector, because in automobile sector key portion is transmission system only. It is a one type of joint. Apart from number of joints are there, in this session we will learn about how to join two knuckle joint. So this is another one key shaped one, and before that one we have seen about a tuning fork type. So these two are going to be assembled like this. Then we are going to get a one pin. It contains a hole at the bottom. At the top we have a collar so that it cannot fall from when it is inserted between two types of tuning fork and key is concerned. If you observe how the pin is going to be assembled, you have seen. Next one is you are going to have this we are going to have this assembling session here. The pin is there and we have type of one round shape. It is like a washer. It contains a hole is there. That hole is going to be inserted when we are going to locking that pin with a rod. So this rod we are going to fix. Thereby the pin is going to be assembled two types of knuckle joint systems so that it will fix in that position. So opposite ends, one is input, another one is output. I think you can see how the rod is going to be perform their operations. Thank you.